Okay, so hi dear Aries, it's a you versus them current energy check-in. There's no timeline to this reading because it's current energy check-in from your side, the energy attached to you, and for the connection where it is going right now at this present moment. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box and you'll find the links below for the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono. Masterclass link is given below. So let's start. Aries, let's see on your side what we have. I just shuffled the cards a lot, don't worry about it. Yeah. So on your side, we have the Tower, the King of Cups, the Five of Swords. So you're realizing behind your anger, behind your mind, there's a lot of love. There's a lot of love for a particular person or situation that you're still very much attached to on a deeper level. So maybe physically you were feeling like you're over a situation or you don't want this person anymore in your life or you don't want to deal with this situation or you don't love this person anymore, right? But some kind of sudden realization or rude awakening is happening right now at this present moment, that is kind of telling you that you still love them, you still care for them, and you still have a lot of emotions for this particular person and situation, but your mind is trying to tell you otherwise, and you are in this energy of having a war, having a constant war between your heart and your mind. That's the deal. The energy attached to you, roles can be reversed also, please keep that in mind, honey. Let's see the energy attached to you, what they are up to right now at this present moment. We have the Temperance, the Knight of Wands, the Page of Wands. Wow. This is somebody who is trying their best to be patient, to remain patient in the situation, but there's a lot of passion, a lot of fire, a lot of attraction in this direction. This is on and off, in and out kind of energy. You can say unstable kind of energy, but they're trying their best to stabilize these energies within themselves first and within this whole dynamics afterwards. But the truth of the situation here between you and this person is that there's love from one person's side, there's lust from other person's side. The other person who is very much infatuated and attracted to the idea of being with the other person here is kind of trying to stabilize this energy and maybe trying to give it a name of friendship only, or friends with benefits kind of a deal only, and the other person is suffering because they have real deep emotions. That is what is happening here. Hmm. So it's a kind of energy where one person is trying their best to not to love the other person here, but they love them. The other person is kind of trying to stabilize their own energies and trying to understand what they really feel for the situation. um but all they feel is attraction, infatuation, and all they want is to be patient in the situation so that they can either move on or they can stabilize this connection wherever it is right now, whatever it is right now. Okay, for the connection, let's see what we have for the connection where it is going right now at this present moment. What's the potential in the connection? We have the Two of Pentacles, the Six of Cups, and the Ten of Wands. See, because you guys have a beautiful history together doesn't mean this situation needs to be, further stretched without any reason. This is very on and off, in and out, and unstable kind of a situation that both of you should drop, at least for the time being. Dropping the situation is the right thing to do, because for this situation I don't see a very good potential for growth, at least for the time being. Until unless you guys are going to come on the same page, the situation is not going to come on that level where both of you can work on this equally and make this work out. Right now, for the time being, you guys need to drop the situation from both the sides and let it go, and understand whether you guys want it or don't want it. So for the situation, for the connection, I do see unstable energies, and dropping the situation right now is a good idea. Doing your own thing. So these are just current energy check-ins. It's not a like permanent kind of a deal or some kind of, you know uh, earth falling apart or something, or disaster, something like that. Give time and space to each other and come back to our forward, or come back afterwards maybe. Yeah. So cool. Thank you so much for tuning in, Aries. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, god bless you, namaste.